Babayad sa inyo. Ay, thank you din sa mga trolls na binabayaran. Kasi may trabaho sila. So you're so generous. And whoever you are, I wish that we see together. We see each other. And then when we see each other, let's talk. Face to face. Ay, sorry. I am not scared. So proud of you dahil hindi mo kinakaya na mahirap ka. What do you mean, Cheska? Mahirap maging mahirap. Any tips of getting rid? Vitamin C, retinol, guys. Niacinamide. Niacinamide for wrinkles and stuff. Vitamin C serums. That's your... Sa mga trolls, sana yumaman kayo. Pag yumaman kayo, sige, bash lang kayo sa akin para mas maraming engagement. Sige lang. I allow it to happen. Like the bashing, even the bashing in my previous, my recent posts here in TikTok. They're bashing me. I don't care. Like, what the heck? Why would I care? Bakit ba? Obligasyon ko ba na mag-care sa inyo? No. Bash me all you want. Basag talaga sila, and it's not an excuse. Kahit sa atin ha, any one of you here sa Sunshines, never do that to another person. That's not really good. That's not really nice. Like, just because you're hurt, it doesn't mean that you are allowed to hurt somebody else. Remember that. Happy birthday, Mika! Totoo, birthday ni Mika ngayon. Happy birthday, Mika! Bait yan si Mika, sobra. Hindi nagbabago. Mahihain pa rin niya. As a black cat siya. Sobrang mahihain pa rin hanggang ngayon. So genuine. Down to earth din. Since you're talking about bashers, ma'am, who's your bias sa last edition? Di ako masyado nakapanood sa last edition. Yeah. Hindi ako nakawatch ng buo. I would say something if nakawatch ako ng buo. But then, I only see some clips. And then, syempre, we cannot make asa sa clips here on TikTok because everybody here, I am a victim of splicing videos. So, some of the videos here on TikTok are spliced video. They just take something and post it to make sira sa imo. So, I cannot judge. I cannot say then who's my bias because I did not make tutok. Kaya lang kababal. Next year, mami. Ipon muna tayo. Ang daming magagandang picture. Ba't yung nakanganga? Kuya! Kuya, mahal kita, pero ba't yung nakanganga? Like, I have a lot of pretty pictures, yung nakaganon ako. Cute kaya yun? Kuya, ba't yung... Kuya! Sana happy ka, kuya. Sana masarap po ulam po ng mga staffs. I love you! Ang dami maganda. Favorite ko yung nakaganon ako. Ba't di yun ginamit? Ba't yung... Tapos yung ngala-ngala kita. So, oh, what the heck? But anyways, oo, yung Eyo. Eyo! Tagumpay ang plano. Like we all said that at the end. Because our goal naman nun, nung like we get together, especially nung birthday ni Ate Alay. Like most of the housemates are there. So, everybody said na kung sino man yung mananalo, dapat mag-e-eyo. So, ayun, nag-eyo ako. Tapos, dapat daw yung lahat daw ng taga-celebrity makapasok. Ilan ba kami? 5-5. Bumalik kami ng 5. Sino yung 5? Si Mama Brenda, ako, si Mama Inot, si Ate Sam. Sino yung isa? Or 4 lang? Sino yung pang... Oh my God, guys, I cannot even remember, like, what happened, no? Like, wala si Ate Alay. Ate Alay is in, 4 lang kami. 4 lang. Not 5. Kasi yung iba nag-5. 4 lang. Really? Hala? Oh my goodness! Okay, Okay. Si tatay, si Isabel, si Kuya, Zach, tsaka si Kuya Michael. Oh yeah, 4. Okay, 4. 4 lang kami. Akala ko 5 kami. I like your voice. Pampakalma po, kanta ka please. I'm tired man to sing. What am I going to sing? Kung kukunin ako, why not? Kung i-house guest ako, why not? I would love to go back sa bahay ni Kuya. At least may 1 week akong libre kuryente, tubig, pagkain. Okay lang kahit di masyado kami makakakain doon kasi madaming How do you wash your clothes at PBB? We don't wash our clothes at PBB, thank goodness. Like, there's laundry. So, 1 week, there's a week na pwedeng mag-ipon ng mga damit na gamit na mabaho na, sa laundry bag. We have a laundry bag. And then, if after a week, like if Monday, every Friday, may laundry, tapos ibabalik sa amin by Sunday or Saturday night. So, ganun. May laundry. Kailan ako uwi na, I'm not gonna tell anyone. I would love to go home. But I'm not telling you. I'm telling you. Na-miss ko na yung cream line. Pero tumaba ako na malala kasi wala akong disiplina. Kasalanan ko lang din. Pero ang camera sa CR ba? Hindi naman nila yung gagamitin if wala silang gustong kunin. At saka, alam nyo guys, technique ko. So, tatayo ako ha. Tatayo ako. So, ayan. Teka lang, tasan ko lang. Ganyan. Pagkatapos niyan, lagi akong naka-duster kasi ayoko nakikita puwet ko. So, ginagawa ko, nagpapalaka ako, tapos gaganon ako. Tapos, gumaganon ako. Ayan, may demonstration. Like, tinatago ko. Kaya ako laging naka-jacket at na malaki, tsaka naka-duster para matabunan yung puwet ko. Pero kasi yung camera naman, kung nandito naman yung bowl, tapos yung camera nakaganon, hindi naman kita yung pwesto ng bowl. Kasi nakakadiri din. Like, what if lagi naman kami tumatai dun kasi naka-cream line, so the dairy, ang baho ng mga itats namin dun. It's so baho. Like, di ko makakalimutan si Ate Chi yung last sa CR, tapos yung kasunod niya is si Kuya Ian, tapos si Ate Chi after niya magpupu si Kuya Ian, sabi niya, wow Chi, nagpasabog. Tawang-tawa talaga kaming lahat. I miss Ate Chi, as in ang lit-lit na babae parang lakas kumain. I miss them so much. Totoo yung mga nangyayari sa PBB, guys. Hindi ako naniniwala na scripted. Ang nagsasabing scripted, hindi nagpapakatotoo. Hindi ako naniniwala it's scripted. Hindi namin alam kung anong... Kaya nga kami laging praning sa bahay ni Kuya. Laging overthinker kasi hindi namin alam kung anong mangyayari next. Ang nagsasabing scripted, di sila nagpapakatotoo. Hindi scripted ang PBB, ha? It's your emotions, like... What are you going to do under pressure? The choices you make and the words you say, the actions you make are all your choice. don't think so. Like, sometimes kasi guys, it's not about being the truest. Kasi, alam nyo, a person kasi, each and every one of us, kung sino yung, iba yung personality natin kapag kaharap natin yung mga classmates natin, iba yung personality natin kapag kaharap natin yung mga best friend childhoods natin, childhood friends, iba din yung, personality natin pagkaharap din yung family natin. We have like different personalities and different people. So I don't think it's like being papakatotoo. Kung ano yung galawan mo sa pamilya mo, ganun din yung galawan mo sa iba. Hindi eh. So we need, yung ano lang dyan is pakikitungo sa iba. Kung ano yung pakikitungo, hindi kasi magkaparehas yung pakitungo mo sa pamilya mo, sa pakikitungo mo sa friends mo, pakikitungo mo sa mga katrabaho mo, at pakikitungo sa mga classmates mo or housemates mo. Magkaiba kasi. And then, we need to understand na magkaiba din yung personality natin. Kasi once like we have the understanding of the difference of each person, dun na dun na yung kikita natin yung pagiging ma-compromise natin sa mga tao, at saka makikita din na natin doon kung ano yung mga bagay na we stand for, kasi kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat natin lagyan ng boundaries, mahahanap natin doon. So that's why it's important to like connect with people. Ako, pag hindi kasi ako nakakalabas, guys, I don't really usually go out. Especially right now, kasi, umuulan lagi. Hindi kagaya before na every October it's not raining. I don't get to jog because it's always raining. Laging bumabagyo these days. So I cannot run. For about 3 months laging umuulan here where I am, morning and afternoon. Tapos, sa ko pa talaga, sa time span ko pa talaga, laging umuulan. So, syempre, hindi ko nahawak yung mga mangyayari. But, where was I again? What phone are you using right now? Ito yung phone na binigay sa akin nung lumabas ako sa PBB. O, ilang taon na to? Matagal na din, no? 2021, 22, 23, 24, 25. 5 years na sa akin yung phone ko. Tingnan nyo, nagtatagal sa akin yung mga gamit na binigay nyo. Kaya, thank you so much. iPhone 11 Pro Max, I think. Kaya, thank you po sa mga nagbigay ng phone, tsaka sa laptop. Nandito pa rin po yung laptop. Lagi ko pa rin nagagamit. Thank you so much. Guys, lumaki ako ngayon, kaya sobrang papapayat ulit ako kasi may event again na need na tone out. But I'm not gonna be that toned, but I'm gonna be more on like water and fat weight. Although my timbang is 51, but I look huge. It's not muscle weight eh, so medyo lumaki ako ngayon. Tingnan nyo, braso kong laki. Sige, lumaki ako ngayon. Did you expect na magiging big winner ka? How? Never kong in-expect na magiging big winner ako, pero siguro may senyales. Di ko lang na-realize before, but now na-realize ko. Bakit every time na nasa loob ako, talagang through the grace of God, sobrang bait ni Lord. Kasi every time na may task, kasi ayoko lagi akong nauuna sa mga like palaro, kasi I love parlor games. I love games. I love to play kasi I'm a girl. I'm a girl na lumaki sa Siargao, lumaki sa school na laging naglalaro ng Chinese garter. Guys, MVP ako sa Chinese garter. Di nyo alam, lupad ako. Malupad ako. Like, I'm one of the kasi ang tawag sa malakas yung mataas yung jump is malupad sa amin. So malupad ako. And I love games. We play softball at school, like, tsaka may bat kasi si daddy na parang defoamed, and we have like a baseball ball, pero hindi siya baseball ball, it's a tennis ball. We use a tennis ball and then we use a soft bat. So it was my brother's, but then I'm a very boyish girl. I play with the guys. So my classmates na guys, my brother's classmate na guys, tapos ilan lang kami babae doon, yung iba ko pa mga kasama mga tumboy. Ano kami, 5, 3 babae, 2 tumboy. Kaya nakakatawa. So kasali ako doon, and then ako yung girl na ngayon lang ako guys nagsisexy ng damit. Talagang gulat na gulat yung lola ko nung umuwi ako the last time, kasi sabi niya, hindi ka naman ganyan manamit dati, kasi ako manamit dati guys, naka-skirt ako, tapos yung short ko sa loob, jersey na mataas na ninakaw ko sa kapatid ko para paglaro, pak! Habang naka-blouse sa school, tapos girly ang blouse, tapos may ganyan pa, may ribbon pa, tapos yung jersey, yung short, malaki yung short, tapos tak! Ganun kami. So I play with the guys. I'm a very kaya alam ko yung mga galawan ng mga guys. Kasi, mga friends ko, di masyado sa babae. Masyadong maraming, nasa guys. Tsaka, hindi ako nag-friends ng mga sikat sa school. Kasi ayoko ng drama. Madrama sila. Yung mga chismis yan, ganyan. Hindi ako nakikipag-chismisan kasi ayoko ng gulo. As a Libra, I don't like, boyish ako, guys. Like, makikita niyo picture ko, may naka-jersey pa ako. Naka-jersey pa ako, tapos naka-Adidas na shoes, tapos naka-t-shirt. What the heck? Like, my fashion sense before, it's so hilarious. And, yeah, I really love patingin ng pic. Wait, hanap ako ng pic. Kasi may mga gumagawa ng ng mga fake account. Dati pa, ginagawa ako ng fake account dati. Tapos, my goodness, nagbe-message sa mga ibang tao. Tapos yung ibang tao nagbe-message sa akin, yung mga kilala ko sa, sorry, gano'n, huy, ito siya. Ikaw ba to? Kasi nangutang to sa akin. Like, bruh, I don't even use that as my profile. I just posted that. So, that's why ngayon, pina-private ko na yung account ko sa FB. Like, it's so much fun during my childhood. Like, I get to, I am privileged enough, although we are not privileged sa pera, but we are privileged sa experience sa buhay. Like, I love, like, nagustuhan ko yung, okay, lumaki ako sa hirap. Kasi kung di ako lumaki sa hirap, hindi ko ma-appreciate kung ano man yung nangyayari sa akin ngayon. Oh yeah, here. Who the heck is this? Like, dati pa dito, Burgos National Science. Burgos National Science. So, Burgos, may 66 friends, tapos 16 mutual friends ko din. Pinad-friend ang mga friends kong totoo. Like, guys, look, who the heck is this? Ay, wait. Okay, wait. Off natin to. Okay. What? How can I even... Kita niyo yung pawis ko. Flip camera. Like, guys, what? Nakita niyo? Who the heck is that? What the freak? Who the heck is that? Sino kaya to? August 7, 2017 to. Tingnan nyo, inad pa ako ni Russell kasi akala niya ako. Hindi ako yan. Pero ayan ako nung bata ako. Diyan ako na maging maarte ng konti. What the heck? He even tagged this person. That's not me. That's not my account. Dami ko pang pimple. Mana talaga ako sa papa ko. Yung papa ko talaga. What the heck? Taba-taba ko pa dyan. Uy, baby fats. Like, look at that. Who the heck is that? This is so hilarious. Look. What the heck? I-search kaya natin. Kamukha talaga kami, the boy. Like, even when we're kids, everybody's telling us na we look like twins. Let's search that. This is so hilarious. Like, oh my goodness. I need to see it again. Like, what was I? What do I look like? Yeah, alam nyo, si Ma'am Ethel, she calls the boy and she calls me the girl. because we look alike, and then the boy's name's like the boy. So I'm the girl. She called me the girl because I'm the boy's version in a girl version. She called me the girl. I hate it before, like I hate it, but parang gonna appreciate ko din kasi I like being twins with my brother. Because before, when I was like this age, lagi kami nag-aaway ni the boy. I think I am around 2017. So 2017, if this is 2017, how old am I? I was 16. Hindi na kami nag-aaway na boy nung 2017. Pero I remember maaway pa rin kami. Yeah, maaway kami ng 15. Basta, nung nag-16 ako, doon ako, di ko na inaaway kapatid ko. Nung 15, hanggang 15, lagi kami talagang, alam nyo, ang sama ko talaga, as in, lagi kami talaga nag-wrestling ng kapatid ko, lagi ko siyang talo. Ngayon, di ko na siya ma-wrestling kasi mas malaki pa siya sa akin. He's like triple my size. So I cannot. Before, like, I was like, yabang-yabang ko before kasi lagi ko siyang talo pag nag-wrestling kami. So, ati, tas iyak yan. Ngayon, di ko na yan magagawa. Anong kwento natin sa PBB? I forgot na. Remind me. Where was I? Babaliktarin lang talaga ako ni Daboy. Alam niyo ba na himatay ako, kapatid ko, talagang inano niya ako. I remember like I was nahimatay, tapos my brother was carrying me like, how come did you carry me? Like, I don't know why nahimatay. Alam niyo guys, kasi feeling ko may ano din ako, oh my God, look. What the heck? Who's that person? My goodness, who the heck is this? Like, bro, look at that. Tingnan nyo yung short ko. Laging ganyan kataas yung short ko. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-sexy short kasi papagalitan ako ni nanay. Tapos takot din ako mag-sexy short kasi naiinis ako nung sa Surigao kasi ako hinabol ako ng lasing. So natakot na ako. I almost got raped. Huh? Who's the heck? Ay, si Frank Justin pala. Classmate ko pala to. Hi, Angie Christine Allen Salvacion. Congrats. From where? 2018. From where? Hoy, Justin. What's this? This is my classmate. Alam mo, dalawang Justin sa school namin. Kasi yung mga classmates namin, ever since elementary till high school, yun pa rin yung classmate. Classmates pa rin kami up until like grade 10. So like, all of us talaga know each other. But right now, it's different na nung nag-college na. And senior high school. So, I don't know now what, like, my other classmates are doing. What are they, like, what did they like na? Because before, like, we always know each other. Kaya all of us, like, tease each other. I miss my classmates. Like, I miss, like, the, and I love my senior high school experience. My senior high school experience was the best of the best. Di ko masyado na-enjoy yung junior high, but senior high, I enjoyed it the most. And here's my best friend ever since elementary, Zaira May Macaldo. Hiya! Hi, Ying! Kamusta naman ka, Ming Ming? Ano ba kasing yung mga signs? Okay, yung mga signs, I felt comfortable every time I'm doing my task. I don't feel scared. I get nervous, but I am not scared, like, to do it. And I think like, I am covered by grace. I feel like I'm covered by grace. I always get hot. Hindi ako nanlalamig. Lagi akong nag-iinit. So, it's like the Holy Spirit is like covering me. I feel like the Holy Spirit is like covering me, protecting me. So, I feel and then grabe talaga, ang galing talaga ni Lord I'm blessed enough na I am blessed with being yung madiscerning. Ang discerning talaga, it's such a gift. Like, I discern people na I know who's not gonna do good to me. Tapos, ayun, talagang mangyayari talaga, like, Kasi lagi kong prayer din. Alam nyo guys, ilagay nyo to sa prayer nyo. Kasi lagi kong prayer na, Lord, pag itong mga tao na ito hindi para sa akin, saktan mo na ako. Wag mo nang patagalin. Hurt me now. So, ayun. Talagang mabait talaga. Kasi, you know what? It's better to show how you really feel in a person. But, without like saying bad things. Although you don't like the person, but also, sa mga tao din na alam yung ayaw nyo sa tao, wag din kayo maggumawa ng hidden agenda. Because this is this is so common, especially in my industry. Like, there are people who doesn't like other people and they talk ill about them. And it's not nice. Like, it's okay. Unless it's a fact, but wag na gumawa ng mga kwento. Kasi sobrang galing, ang daming magaling gumawa ng kwento, guys, dyan. And this industry is so freaking scary. Kaya pag may mga kids na sabi, gusto ko mag-artista, sinasabi ko talaga, sure ka ba? Kasi dati, dream ko to eh. Sabi ko dati, dream ko naman hanggang ngayon. Pero kasi, through experience, like, being an artista talaga is really hard. Kasi not everyone is your friend. And also, sometimes you get, lured in a trap if you're not careful and if you're not very discerning. Oh my freaking goodness. Like, what is this? Bruh. Me and LA! LA, oh my goodness, Burgos! Guys, look! Sir Bonnie, this is Sir Bonnie, this is my teacher. Look! That's Henrik, that's my cousin. This is my cousin. This is me. I'm the Margaret. Wait lang, post ko lang. Guys, nag-away pa kami ni Sir Bonnie. Oh, di ko to makakalimutan. Oh my goodness, hindi ko to makakalimutan kasi sabi ko na, Sir, ayoko mag-Margaret. Gusto ko kasi talaga mag-liar. Eh, ang mahal ng liar, so di namin afford. Okay, wait. Hindi namin afford mag-liar because the liar itself, the xylophone itself, cost 3,000. So like I really wanted to be a liar but hindi ako pinayagan. Sabi, mag-twiller ka na lang. Sabi ko na, sige na nga, mag-twiller na lang ako para may additional na points. Kasi kapag DLC ka, may additional points sa PE and sa arts. So, syempre, malaki grade ko sa arts. Tapos ito, ayokong maging Margaret. Gusto ko lang maging Twiller. Ayokong nasa center of attention. Talagang away talaga ni Sir Bonnie na, Sir, ayoko nga, Sir. Tapos pinili talaga ako pag, di ikaw nag-Margaret, babagsak kita. Ganoon ako. Sabi ko, sige na nga. Ay, nako. Nag-away kami. Tinakot nang ako. Nauto din. Laplak. What the heck? That's me. That's Henrik. That's my cousin. This is my second cousin, Henrik. This is me. And this is Ati Dayan. Ay, where's Ati Dayan? I think Ati Dayan is... Oh, it's Ati Dayan. This is Ati Myra. This is Ati Crystal. This is Onyok and this is Karjan. This is Karjan. This is my best friend. Nabayot. This is his brother. Pilingon no. Ah! Yakin wreck. Bow yarn. Tingnan niyo, hindi ko nga alam kung anong ginagawa ko. there. Oh, this is, okay, nawala na. This is, may second cousin pa na isa, si Jason. Si Zairami, this is my best friend. Zay, ikaw ini, Zayo. This is Melacel. Yak! Si Anyok. Si Ate Crystal. This is Darlene. Darlene is one of the prettiest girl. Si Princess. Si Zaira. Sino pa nga nakalimutan. Si Jana. I remember Jana. Dari si Ate Dayan. Ate Dayan is small di ay. Who's the other one sa gilid na ako gayna? Dari ba si Mayra? Who's this? Ayan, si Ming. O, tanaw, Ming. Si Milacel. Hindi ka na ginagawa mo. Guys, di ako marunong dyan sumaya. Di ko nga alam ginagawa ko eh. Ako yung pinaka-stiff sa amin. Si bakla, di alam yung ginagawa oh. This is the display sa Pahugjaw. Ginamit lang namin. And I'm so dizzy. Know what's getting without. Bring all right. What's going on without? This is saan naman si Kim? Oo, dari si Kim. Anong grade ako dito? Grade 9. It's grade 9 this time. Talagang inaway ko Sir Bonnie dito. Yak! Talaga! Oh my God! Nag-cringe ako sa kagalingon. Oh, 1 foot lang yan, oh. 1 foot lang yan. Oh, you're so cute, si Kim. Everybody's so cute. We were so little. Yeah, I was 15. Yak! Hello, Abigail. Goodness, what is that? Tingnan nyo, ang kakiay sa mga kaiban. Ako lang yung hindi, ano? Di mo rin. Tingnan nyo, ang galing sumayo ng mga kasama ko. Ako lang yung matigas. Hindi nagsishake ko. Alay, sa iba nagsishake. Sir Bonnie, ba't mo ako ginawa Marjorie? Nakakahiya nyo sa likod yung mas ano ko, magaling oh. Ba't ako nandyan? Hiya ako niyan, no? Nahiya na ako niyan. Mama ko kasi nasa harap. Yee! Si Jai Jai! Sino yung iba? Tell me that I love you more than once, a little pearly shell. Yak, si baklat. Di ko talaga alam kung anong ginagawa ko dito. Nag-practice na lang ako mga 2 weeks na lang kasi galing din ako contest. Lagi akong wala sa school. Tapos, ito yung DLC ko na first time hindi ako nag-makeup. Si bakla, yung iba naka-makeup, ako lang hindi naka-makeup. Tapos ang ganda-ganda ng mga kasama ko. Uy, wag kayo ang gaganda ng mga kasama ko dyan, uy. Si Kim! Kakit ni Kim, si Karkar. Ay! Muwana ako. Lala! Tempaw. Tingnan niya. What the heck? Okay. Oh, mermaid yarn? Si Milasil. Hendrik. Pacho-cho. Lala. Naapakan niya. Sa gym namin yan. Sobrang init dito, guys. Lalo! Si Bakla, anong ginawa? Lalo! Anong ginagawa mo, girl? Tipiti yarn. Si Moana, si Milasil. Hoy, Ate Abigail, ikaw daon? Hindi akong manggapon si Milasil. Moana yarn? This is so freaking funny. Baga nagkurat siya na bitaw. What the heck am I doing there, oy? Ang galing nila, oh. Hindi ko yan kaya, guys. Ama si Zairami. Saan si Zairami? Zairami to, Zairami. Ang gaganda nila. Si Kim, si Karkar. Si Hendrik talaga pachocho. Ay, nako, Hendrik. Si Jason, no. Pagod na yan, eh. Pagod na yan. Di ko din alam. I think naka-tatlong change kami ng damit. Layaks! Ew! What the heck? Tingnan nyo, yung mga kasama ko ang gagaling. Ako lang talaga yung magaling dyan. Si Ate Dayan. Eh, nakalimutan ko pangalan nito. Nakalimutan ko pa. Yak! Angie, you. Wala ako crush dira. During my high school, wala akong crush. Ayun naman yan. Si Doraemon. Doraemon version na. Ginagawa. Hindi ko na alam yung action namin, no? Hindi ko na alam yung sayaw dito. What on earth is that? Hindi to competition for the for the sake of fiesta sa amin. Nahiya ako talaga dito. Alam nyo guys, yung feeling ko dyan, sobrang galing ko na sumayaw. kailan ako lalabas, oh. Nag-margarette ka pa, girl. Oo, mga 14 minutes yata to eh. Tumingin lang kayo, hindi ko na alam yung action. What the heck? Ayan, natapos na kami niyan. Tingnan mo, iba pa yung paa ko. Ano ba yan, Angie? Ayan. Feeling ko tapos na. Or naglag lang. Oh my goodness. What on earth? Sir Bonnie, mahal kita. Pero ba't mo ako pinili? Mahal kita, Sir Bonnie. You're one of my favorite teacher. And your wife, si Miss Mitch. Pero what on earth? What on the freaking earth was that? Like, what the heck? I do that? Ay, nako. Sobrang tapos yung kilay ko. Kasi galing ako niyang pageant, guys. Galing ako pageant yan. Mainit talaga ngayon. So, papapawis lang muna ako. Talagang, galing ako pageant yan. Tapos yung kilay ko talaga, as in talaga, inahit talaga ng sobra. I don't have any kilay that time. So, one of my biggest mistake is pinahit ko yung kilay ko kasi di na pantay. Especially yung dito, hindi na yung pantay. So, grabe talaga, sobrang hiyong-hiyo ako yun. Like, what the heck? Talagang totoong nangyari yun. Alam nyo guys, nung during that time, alam mo anong feeling ko? Feeling ko sobrang magalaw yung hips ko. Sobrang galing kong sumayo. Pero looking now, like, are you serious? Are you freaking serious? That was me. Meng! Kasipog, Meng! Nakakahiya. As in, naiya ako, Mami Choy. Ginawa ko yun. What the freak? Nakakahiya. Anong confidence? Wala akong confidence yun. Kaya nga tingin ako ng tingin sa likod kasi di ko alam kung anong next na action. Anong next step? Sabi ko, anong next step? Guys, sigawan nyo na lang ako. Ganon ako. Guys, sigawan nyo na lang ako. Ako yung Margarette na hindi nagpa-practice. Bitaw, sigaw tanaw sa tapad kasi di ko alam yung action. Tsaka, alam nyo guys, 2 weeks na lang. 2 weeks na lang, anong tawag nito? Fiesta na. And at the same time kasi, there's a fiesta going on Surigao. And then, I was in a pageant, so I was focused there. Tapos, exam pa namin pagkatapos ko dun, pag-uwi namin. Exam, so nag-exam week. Tapos, while nag-exam, nag-practice. Pero syempre, wala na sa utak ko yung sa practice kasi nasa academics. Tapos pagkatapos noon, sabi ko na, parang ayoko na. Tapos sabi, what on earth? Hindi ko alam kung fiesta ba yun or parang provincial na adlaw sa Surigao. Hindi ko alam. Basta, nakakahiya. Sir Bonnie talaga. Kung di talaga ako tinakot ni Sir Bonnie. Dapat din ako tinakot ni Sir Bonnie. Yes, honor student pa ako. Sa amin. Sobrang nakakahiya. Ako yung lagi. Ano next action? What the heck? Bakla! So shy! Freaking... such a weird. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na, nakakahiya pala yung mga pinaggagawa ko nung high school. But it was so much fun. During that time, it's so much fun. But looking back, I look awful. I look not good. Like, I keep on looking at the back. I keep on looking at the gilid of my kauban, my cousin. Kasi my cousin is anong tawag pag sa Margarette? Anong tawag sa isa? Ay, nagpipito na guy? Hindi naman, part ng achievement mo yun. Sige na lang, achievement na lang. Oh my goodness. Huh? Yuck. Hindi ko alam, hindi yata. Band leader, yes, it was my cousin, it's Henrik. And then I have another cousin, Sab, na, who's like, the leader na din of the drummers. Si Henrik band leader, but there is a leader din sa drummers. It was Jason, but before Henrik was the band leader, it's Kuya RS, Sab. Kuya RS din is my cousin kasi maraming salbasyon, dugmok sa amin. So, like, everybody is like cousins there sa amin sa Siargao kasi parang magka-family lang kami. So, si Kuya RS pa noon, bago si Henrik, pagkatapos sobrang nakakatawa. Ayan o, si Onyok doon, wala pang di pa long hair, wala pang dibdib. Ngayon may dibdib na at saka long hair na. I miss you, Nyok. It was so fun looking back. I look awful. You guys look so good though. What? Hindi ko na maalala yung isa. When ka babalik school, G? Siguro next year. Kasi tapos na ako sa senior high school ko. So, right now, I'm ipuning. What's ipuning in English? Like, I'm saving up for my college. Because, this girl has to like, help herself out too. Wag umasa sa iba. Asahin ko sarili ko. We need to help out ourselves then and our education. So I'm gonna be a working student next year. So yeah, like, it's gonna be tiring, but I'm excited for school. I'm super excited na. No, I'm not in Siargao. Wala ko sa Siargao. Oh my goodness, like, I cannot. It's so embarrassing. Like, Sir Bonnie Jude, like, even sa pageant, like, I really don't wanna be there. Like, I really don't wanna be there. And then I won. Like, what the heck? I was like second princess there. I'm second princess. I don't even know what did I answer. Like, did I do even good? Because my kauban baya, they're so good baya. Yes, working student. Di ba working student tawag sa nagtatrabaho pa rin kahit nag-school? No, I look so ugly. Like, no. It's the 2015, 2017. 2017 mga uso na makeup. Alam, mga box kilay. Like, what on earth is that? Tapos yung peloka talaga na ganun talaga. My goodness. I don't even remember what's the question, but it's about naman nature. And I was asked about the mangroves, and like, it's so easy so easy naman, guys, the answers to each question. Kasi sa all na itatanong sa'yo, syempre, may pang punchline ka talaga. You know your punchline, and it's kahit what can you say about the mangroves, the waves, the etc., the turtles, the animals that are getting extinct, like it always comes up to the na we need to take care of our environment, we need to be aware, and we need to take action. Ganun talaga. Lagi kong iniisip, okay, sa lahat ng mga answers, kailangan may punchline ako. So, we need to take care of our environment. We need to be aware and take actions and be responsible to what we do. Kasi, yun yung magpapasustain sa environment natin. Kasi, kung gusto natin maayos yung bigay sa atin,